Welcome to Maths with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
So now let us take this sum, which is also from NCERT exercise 6.2 question A9 I have taken. ABCD is a trapezium in which, so I have drawn the thing trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. AB and CD they have given, they are parallel and their diagonals intersect at O. You have to show this. So your steps should go like this to go and get the complete marks given. Whatever is given to you, write it that. So what is given? ABCD is a trapezium given. So write that ABCD is a trapezium. And one more thing is given. AB is parallel to DC is given. Fine. And now what you have to show or to prove? We have to show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. We have to prove. So let us go to constructions or directly from the proof also we can say. So you say draw. I'm going to draw a line here. Some line I will be drawing here such that OE I'll draw which is parallel to AB. So draw OE parallel to AB. But we have been given AB is parallel to DC is given. So if AB is parallel to DC, then this OE or EO, this is parallel to both of them. So we can write this and mark it as 1 so that whenever on requirement we can use this. Now I shall take the triangle ADC here. So this is my triangle. I have taken first this triangle which is ADC. So you can say in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC we have know that this EO is parallel to DC from 1. Simple. That's why I said you just mark it as 1. We can simply use it. We know that in a triangle when two lines are parallel we can easily use the BPT. So now I shall use the BPT here AE by ED which is equal to AO by OC by BPT. Now we take one more triangle which is ABD. So I am taking again this. You can see ABD. This triangle I am taking. So I shall say in triangle ABD. Again EO is parallel to AB. From 1 I shall say here. Now again by BPT I will say AE by ED is equal to BO by OD by BPT. So now you understood BPT is how important and we can use it in many places. I'll clear this here. Let's continue. Just from 1 and 2, I can prove the given answer. So we can say here from 1 and 2, if you observe 1 and 2 left hand side are equal. So I shall say AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. But what we have to prove? AO by BO. So just cross multiply this. So you can get this implies AO by BO is equal to CO by DO, which is proved.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
Now the sixth question we are doing. So in this, the NCERT 6.2 question number 10, the diagonals of the quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at O. So this is converse of the fifth question. And here we can see this is proportionality is given. We have to prove ABCD is a trapezium. What is a trapezium? If the pair of any opposite sides are parallel, we call it as a trapezium. You can see I have written the given here. ABCD is a quadrilateral, AC and BD intersect at O. This is what given to prove. Now let us go with the construction. I shall say here, I am going to draw here from O. I will draw a parallel OE parallel to DC. So I shall say draw EO parallel to DC. Now coming to proof. In proof, I will take this particular triangle here, which is ADC. This particular triangle I have taken ADC. Now, in triangle ADC, EO is parallel to DC by construction. Now I can easily go by BPT. I shall say AE by ED is equal to AO by OC by BPT. But what is given to me? Given is AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Now I shall do the cross multiplication here back. So when I do the cross multiplication back, so what I'll be getting here? I do the cross multiplication. AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. This is my 2. So from 1 and 2, if you see, AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. So from 1 and 2, I can easily replace it. So I shall do it here. So I shall say from 1 and 2, AE by ED is equal to BO by DO. So I got this by this is equal to this by this I got. This can be written as ED also. So when these are proportional, this obviously implies to me EO is parallel to AB. By converse, we have learnt by converse of BPT. But already from the construction, we know that from the construction, EO is parallel to DC by construction. So EO is parallel to AB, EO is parallel to DC, implies AB is parallel to DC, which implies ABCD is a trapezium. So this is also one of the important sum.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any particular sum to be solved, put it in the comment box. I'll try to make a video on that.